Hello, wonderful people from all walks of life. Welcome to Modern World Dynamics, where we explore the complexities of life in a simple and engaging manner. Here, we take on a wide variety of life's topics, breaking them down into digestible bits and offering practical advice to navigate through them. Our aim is to make understanding life a bit easier for you, one topic at a time. Today, we dive into the world of dating, disappointments, and heartbreaks. Buckle up. In the realm of love, sometimes it feels like Cupid has taken a permanent vacation. We've all been there, haven't we? The anticipation of a first date, the thrill of a new connection, only to be met with disappointment. Take our friend, let's call him Jack. He was buzzing with excitement, prepping for his date with a lady he'd met online. He'd picked out the perfect outfit, even rehearsed interesting conversation starters. But as the minutes turned into hours at the cozy little cafe, Jack found himself alone, sipping his now cold coffee. She never showed up. Or consider Sarah, who thought she'd found her prince charming. They'd been dating for a few months, sharing laughs, dreams, and Netflix passwords. One day, out of the blue, he texted her saying, "It's not you, it's me." Classic, isn't it? As if those 5 words could soften the blow of an abrupt end to what Sarah thought was a blossoming relationship. And then there's Tom, who after a series of dates thought he'd finally met someone special. They had chemistry, shared interests, and even their star signs were compatible, for those who believe in that sort of thing. But alas, his date confessed she just wasn't ready for a relationship. It's a tale as old as time, the dreaded "I'm not ready" line. These are the Heartbreak Chronicles, a collection of disappointments that can make the dating scene feel like a battlefield. The sting of rejection, the sorrow of unreciprocated feelings, the frustration of unmet expectations. It can all be quite overwhelming. But here's the thing. While these experiences can be disheartening, they're also part of the journey. Each disappointment, each heartbreak is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to better understand what you're looking for in a partner. So as we navigate the often choppy waters of dating, let's remember one thing. Heartbreaks can feel like the end of the world, but they're often just the beginning of a new chapter. In every cloud, there's a silver lining, even in the stormy weather of dating disappointments. Now, this might sound like a cheesy fridge magnet quote, but hear me out. Imagine you're on a date with someone who doesn't know the difference between your and your. You're cringing inside, right? But hey, now you know you prefer someone with a decent grip on grammar. That's personal growth, my friend. And it's not just about grammar. Maybe you've gone on a date with someone who couldn't stop talking about themselves. Now you realize you want a partner who's interested in what you have to say too. It's a process of elimination, one date at a time. Or picture this, you're out on a date and your partner spends the entire evening scrolling through their phone. Annoying, right? But what if I told you that's not wasted time? That's a lesson learned. You now know you want someone who respects your time and gives you their full attention. And let's not forget the classic food stealer. You know, the one who always pinches fries off your plate without asking. Sure, it's cute at first, but after the 10th stolen fry, it's not so fun. But hey, now you know you value respect for personal boundaries, even when it comes to food. Now, I'm not saying these experiences aren't tough. They can be really disheartening. But remember, each one is teaching you something about yourself and what you want in a partner. It's like you're piecing together a jigsaw puzzle of your ideal mate, and each bad date gives you another piece of the puzzle. In the grand scheme of things, these disappointments are just minor speed bumps on the road to finding the right person. They're helping you refine your search, sharpen your instincts, and ultimately prepare you for when the right person comes along. So chin up. As they say, you've got to kiss a few frogs to find your prince or princess. Disappointments can be stepping stones to finding the perfect match. After all, trial and error is how we learn best, right? Before we continue, we'd love to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy our content. Subscribing enables you to stay in the loop with every enlightening video we create. And hey, if you're feeling generous, why not consider donating to support our work? We put a lot of hard graft into researching and crafting these videos. The donation link is right there in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Now, let's continue with our exploration. Now, navigating the dating world can seem like a maze with no exit, but we've got some tips to help you find your way. When dealing with dating disappointments, the first step is allowing yourself to feel. Heartbreak isn't a sign of weakness, it's a testament to your courage to love and be vulnerable. So let yourself heal. It's okay to take a break from dating. Give yourself the time and space to mend and understand what went wrong. Secondly, focus on personal growth. This might seem cliché, but it's true. Use this time to better understand yourself and what you truly want from a relationship. You might discover that you have patterns that need to be broken, or that you've been chasing the wrong type of partners. This self-reflection can be a game changer in your love life now. We've all heard the phrase, there's plenty of fish in the sea, right? But when you're nursing a broken heart, it can feel like you've been left stranded on a deserted island. Well, here's the thing, it's all about perspective. Maintaining a positive outlook is crucial. Remember, every person you meet isn't going to be the one. But that doesn't mean the one isn't out there. Each disappointment is just steering you closer to the person who is right for you. Lastly, don't close yourself off from future opportunities because of past disappointments. It's easy to build walls around your heart to protect it from future heartbreaks. But love requires vulnerability. So breathe, smile, and be open to new experiences. There's no magic formula to avoid dating disappointments. They're part of the journey, but these tips can help you navigate this journey with more resilience and optimism. Remember, every disappointment is an opportunity for a new start. Keep your chin up. And that's a wrap on our adventure through the world of dating disappointments and heartbreaks. We've journeyed together through the ups and downs, the laughter and the tears, and hopefully, we're all a bit wiser for it. We've discussed the inevitable heartbreak that comes with the dating territory, and how it's not just a part of life, but a necessary aspect of our personal growth. The silver lining, remember, is that every disappointment, every heartbreak, is an opportunity to learn more about ourselves and what we truly want in a partner. It's important to remember that dating is a process, and it's okay to feel discouraged at times, but don't let that stop you from seeking love and connection. It's all a part of this amazing, messy, beautiful journey we call life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Modern World Dynamics for more enlightening discussions. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and above all, keep being awesome.